am going to show you step by step how to build customer service AI agents that you can sell to different businesses and you make money online. So you are welcome.
Welcome to KCK, where dreams take flight. Making money online, tech insights so bright. Subscribe and stay, let's journey on. Together we'll shine from dusk till dawn.
So to build our AI agent, we are going to be using a tool known as Jotform. So like you can see, once you are on the website of Jotform, it's going to look like this, okay? So they have an option where you can sign up for free. So we are going to be using the free version, okay? So let me go ahead and sign up. Then we are going to proceed on to our next step, and I'm going to show you everything step by step, okay? Once you are done signing in, it's going to bring you to this interface, and what you want to do is to click on the create button. Okay, then it's going to bring you to this page. So like you can see, on Jotform, you can create a lot of things. For example, forms, AI agents, which is going to be our main focus for today's video, workflow apps, all of these things, okay, so can be created in Jotform. So we are going to click on our main focus for today's video, which is AI agent. So I'm just going to click on that, and it's going to bring us to a new interface which looks like this. So here you will have to select a channel for your AI agent. For example, if you click on stand alone, you'll see on the right what it looks like. When you click on chatbot, this is what it's going to be looking like, and same goes to the phone, voice. You can also use it in WhatsApp, Messenger, okay? Like you can see, they have various options. So now let's click on next, and it's going to bring us to this page over here where we are going to be able to create our AI agent. So we can build from scratch. We can start with form. We can use different templates. So you can click on them and you go through other different ones. For example, like you can see, there is one for customer support AI agent, sales AI agent, tattoo studio AI agent, the different ones over here. There is a pharmacist AI agent, beauty salon, all of these. So you just have to go through them really well. So if you find a particular one that you want to use, then you just have to click on use agent, and that way you'll build from that. Okay, so let's click on back, and we will click on the start from scratch option, just like this. So here you can see that they give you space where you can input a prompt that describes the agent you want to create. Okay, there is also more options down here that you can choose from and build from that. But in this case, we are going to be using our own prompt to build the agent that we want. So like you can see down here, I already have a description for my agent and then the agent's role. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this. So if you want to come up with something like this, I used ChatGPT to generate this. So you can go ahead in ChatGPT, and then you generate a prompt about the AI agent you're trying to build. Okay, so I'm going to paste it over here just like this. So before we continue, I want to briefly tell you about the AI agent that we are building. So basically, I want to build a customer AI agent for a restaurant that can answer things like reservations and bookings, menu and special requests, order support, all of those things about a restaurant, customer feedback, personalized service, everything. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create to see what this AI is going to build for us. Okay, like you can see right now, it's in the process, and we are going to give it some time until it's done. Okay, just in case you want to build with the same prompt that I used, I've left it for you guys in the description down below so that you can try it out. So like you can see, our agent is now ready, and all we have to do is to make a few edits. So you can change everything to your own branding and your own liking. Okay, right now we are on the conversation page, but to edit, for example, the avatar itself, the AI agent, you're going to click over here just like that, and it's going to bring a new screen over here. So from here you can select the kind of face you want to represent your brand. So like you can see, they have various options, and if you're looking for a particular thing, for example, let's say you want someone who represents like makeup, for example, makeup artist. So let's search for makeup artist and we see what results we are going to get. Like you can see, they're going to bring us various results where we can choose from. You just have to go through them carefully and you see if there is any representative that you would like to use as your AI agent. If you're not happy with those results, there is another option whereby you simply just have to come here and you describe your avatar. So I'm just going to input my prompt, and then we are going to see what this AI is going to generate for us. So let's give it some time and we see what it's going to come up with. Here are the results, and I think it really actually did a great job. I really like her. Like you can see, it also gave her a new name. She's called Amina, but you can edit all of this, and I'm going to show you how. So also, if you want to upload your own avatar, you can go ahead and click on upload. Then that way you'll be able to upload the avatar. So let's see, there is this option of face swap. So let's see if it's possible for us to swap the face of Amina with a different face. So we are going to turn that button on, and then like you can see down here, it's going to give us an option of uploading a new face. Okay, so let me go ahead and find a new image that we can take a face from. Okay, so I found this old passport photo of mine, and it's what we are going to be using. So the reason as why I chose this particular one, because I cannot miss out on my own face. So if it really swaps the face, I will know that that's my face. So this is why I chose my own image. So let's go ahead and click on save, and then I will see what it's going to come up with. Okay, impressive. I really like how it has turned out. So let's click on style and continue with our editing. So we are going to work on different things, for example, like the agent background style, color scheme, and whichever you choose, all of these are editable. So let's go ahead and choose a different color scheme to see what it's going to look like. So I'm going to go with this particular one. Let's go ahead and switch up things. So let's start with the agent background. I want it white. So let's go ahead and turn everything to white, like you can see. Okay, so I'm just clicking on the colors that I want. Okay, that looks great. So let's go to the next one, which is the agent title. So we are going to keep that black. I think it will look better in black. And then the agent name, let's name her Lania, since everything has changed. So I'm going to name her Lania. Okay, like you can see, let me make the first L caps lock. Okay, just like that. So the role, it's the customer service agent. Like you can see, we are going to leave it like that, but if you want to change it to something else, you can always do that. Next is the page background style, and we can change this to different colors. For example, if you want to turn it red, you'll just click on the colors like this. Okay, and then it will automatically change to the chosen colors. So if also you have maybe your own restaurant images or your own brand images, you're just going to upload them over here, and that's what you'll be using as your background page. Okay, so also there is an option of generate. Let's try this one. For example, let's try a restaurant with a coffee shop, modern restaurant. Okay, let's make it modern. A modern restaurant with a coffee shop, and we see what they're going to generate for us. Okay, like you can see, it has automatically changed this for us. So let's go next to the chart style, which is the chart background, this one over here. So let's turn that to red. Okay, so I'm going to click on red, and we see what results we're going to be having. So I think that looks great, guys. What do you think? So next is the chart theme. So let's make this super white. Okay, so I'm just going to click on white, and then I think that looks great. So also we are going to change the button style over here. So I'm going to make that, let's make that white, and then let's leave the icon color black. Okay, like you can see, it looks good over here. So now you can also change the layout. If you want the avatar to be on the left, you can switch it to the left, but I think it looks better on the right, so I'm going to keep it on the right. Down here you can also add your logo. So let me go ahead to add my own logo, and we see how it's going to look like. Okay, so there we have it, and I think it looks great. So guys, now that we have our conversation page ready, let's go ahead and also edit our welcome page. But before we do that, if you're finding value in this video already, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and let's proceed. So to design our welcome page, we are going to first close this over here, and then we will click on the welcome page down here on the left, and it's going to bring us to this page. So we need to click on the settings option over here. So it's going to bring us here, like you can see. The first thing is the heading, which is the agent's name and its role. So down here, you need to put a description of a greeting that the customers receive once they come onto this page. Okay, so you're going to input it over here just like that. So I have something in mind already. So like you can see, you're going to go ahead and then edit all of these. If you don't like them still, you have an option of editing them when you come over here. So now that we have everything ready, let's first go through the menu to make sure that all the key buttons are switched on. For example, the chat, voice, WhatsApp. And for this to connect it, you need to connect your WhatsApp business to your account. Okay, like you can see, that's the only way it's going to work. So the forms, chat history. So we are good to go for now. Let's switch this off, and then let me show you what we are going to be doing next. Now, all along, we've been working on the standalone. So you're going to be taking the same exact steps when it comes to these remaining buttons. For example, the chatbot, still all you have to do is to click on the settings over here. Then you'll see that you'll have an option of inputting the kind of greeting that you want. Okay. Then same goes for the voice. Once you click over there and then you click on the settings, you will see that there is different voices over here that you can actually use. So you can play the different ones, and if you find a particular one that you want to use, you will select that one, and that's what you'll use. Okay. Then for the phone number, you will have to click over there just like that, and like you can see, you can get a phone number over here. So you'll have to purchase one for yourself. Like you can see here, there is an option of buy a phone number. Okay, it will cost you only $10 per month, like you can see. So you're going to be doing the same thing for the remaining things over here. For example, the SMS, you'll get a phone number. Okay, like you can see. Then WhatsApp, you'll have to add your WhatsApp business. Okay, you'll connect to your WhatsApp just like that. Then there is Messenger, same thing. Okay, you'll connect to your Messenger just like that. Now that we know how to build our AI agent, let's go ahead and we train it. So to train our agent, all we have to do is to click on this button over here, and like you can see, it's going to bring you these different options. So the first one is knowledge, where you can add text-based information to train your agent. Then there is link, whereby you can add your website URL to train your agent with dynamic information about your company. Then you can also upload different files to train your agent. Okay. The last option is questions and answer, where you'll have to provide a question and then the correct answer for it. And you can get these from, questions that your customers always ask you about your business. Okay. So those are going to be a good idea to start from. Okay. The feedback you get from the customers, the questions they always leave, you're going to use those questions to train this AI. Now, KCK restaurant doesn't exist. This is all an example to give you an insight of how you can do this by yourself, step by step. Now that I don't have a website to connect to this, tool, I don't have company information that is detailed. I only came up with a different knowledge and, questions. So we are going to focus on those two options over here. Like you can see, I just came up with some key things over here that we are going to be using to train our AI. So let me go ahead and click on our first option over here, which is knowledge. So now I'm going to go ahead and input all the information about this company that doesn't exist. I obviously generated all these details with ChatGPT. So I'm going to paste them over here. So it's from the company's overview, operating hours, payments and policies, all the different information that I could think of when it comes to the restaurant, menus, everything. Okay. So now that I have all these details, I'm going to go ahead and click on save. Okay. In case you want to edit the information that you just input, you can click on the edit button over here, and that way you'll be able to edit everything. Okay. As well, if you want to delete it, you can go ahead and click on the delete button over here. On these three dots over here, they'll give you an option of deleting. Okay, like you can see. So every time you want to add new knowledge to this, all you have to do is to click on this option, and it's going to open the previous menu that we had earlier on. So now this time I'm going to provide questions and answers. Like you can see, it says here, enter a brief, clear question that you'd like the agent to answer. So we are going to go back to the questions that I generated with ChatGPT, and I'm going to find one particular one. For example, this one that says, what are KCK restaurants opening and closing times? So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to paste it in Jotform over here, just like this. Then I'm also going to provide an answer. Okay, so I'm going to go back and pick this particular one over here. Okay, so I'm just going to copy it and paste it over here just like this. Okay, then after that, I'm just going to click on save. So you're going to go ahead and enter as many questions as you want. Like I said, all you have to do is to click on the add new knowledge button over here. Then you click on questions and answer. You'll provide the question that you want to answer. Okay, let's do the second one, which says, are you open on weekends? So I'm going to copy this just like this, paste it over here. So that's how easy this is. Okay, then you go back and collect the answer just like this, then you go paste it over there. Okay, so you're going to input all the questions that you want, and then we are going to proceed to our next tool, which is actions. Okay, so once you click on this tool over here, it's going to bring you to this page over here, and here you're going to choose the kind of actions you want your AI to take. For example, when there is a user sentiment, so let's choose that. It's going to ask you for a state. Okay, so you're going to type that in. Now let me give you an example. We have some negative sentiments over here. For example, a customer says, I received the wrong order. This is basically going to help your AI agent know what to do in case of these things. Okay, so let's put the sentiment over here. So the customer says, I received the wrong order. What do you want this tool to do, this AI to do in this case? So you're going to click on this option over here. So you're going to choose the one that resonates with you the best. Okay, do you want the customer to fill in the form, or you want them to say a particular message? Okay, just like that, like you can see over here. Send an email. What do you want it to do in this case? So what we are going to do is there is different options, like I said. Like you can see, there is a send an email, and once you choose that option, you have to tailor an email that they're going to be using. But to save time right now, because I don't have an email ready, let me choose another option. For example, I saw the one for message. Okay, let's choose this. So this is just an example, but you're going to choose according to what resonates with you best. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. Okay, so this is the solution I want it to take, so I'm going to copy it. Then I'm also going to go ahead and give it an example. Okay, so I'm going to type the state just like this, then I'll add to it. Okay, so I have an example down here. Let me go and find it, then I'll include it. Okay, example response. So I'm going to copy this over here. Okay, then I'm going to paste it down here just like this. Okay, paste, then I click on save. Okay, so that's how this works. Okay, so let's go to tools and we see what's there. Like you can see down here, there is different tools. For example, finding a website, which allows your agent to search a website and share relevant content with your customers. So you can choose that. You can choose forms, you can choose to show video. There is different things to set an appointment. For example, maybe they want to book for special days like birthdays, to send emails. There is different things you can attach under tools over here. So you just have to give your time, go through everything, and then you choose what's best for you. Okay, so down here there is also forms, and you can add this to help you collect your customer data. Okay, so down here there is also an option of teaching your agent, so you can train it through chat. Like you can see, it's saying, good afternoon, Lania Karim. I'm so grateful to be here with you today and excited to start our conversation. How's your day going so far? So let me try to get something random. Let me say, like, what maybe I didn't like your service. Okay, let me start with that. Let's do that. I didn't like your service. So let's see what it's going to come up with. Like you can see, it's saying, I'm sorry to hear that you didn't like the service. Can you please provide more details about your experience so far so I can assist you better? So there is also that way of training your AI agent. And lastly, there is also this AI persona. So in this section, this is where you're going to be able to edit your agent details. For example, agent name, agent role, the language default. You can set it from over here, the tone, what kind of tone do you want for your AI agent, like you can see. So there is different chat guidelines. You can also add your own, like you can see. So different things over here. You can go through all of them, and then you just have to click on add. So now that we are done with everything, let's go ahead and publish our AI agent. So I'm just going to click on publish, and like you can see, when you click on publish, it's going to bring you to this page. Like you can see, it provides a shareable link that you can copy and share to whatever places you want to share it. You can also invite people by email. Like you can see, there is also that option. You can share the agent via WhatsApp, QR code, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, all of those options. You can even click here to view more details over here, like you can see. So there is also an option of embedding the style directly to your website, for example, your chatbot, like you can see. So all you have to do is to copy the code over here and you embed it to the part of the website where you want to add your AI agent. Okay. So now that we are done with everything, let's click on preview to see how it has come out. I'm excited, guys. So this is how it's like. And I also want us to see what it looks like on the mobile. So let's click on that. So this is what it looks like on a mobile. This is what it looks like on a tablet. And this is what it looks on the desktop. So I think, guys, we've done a great job. I want us to go ahead and test it out. So I copied our link earlier on. So I'm just going to try to paste it over here and I see whether it's going to work. So let me paste it over there and click on search. Let me see what it's going to bring for us. Voila, this actually looks good. So let's try it out and we see how it works. Let's start with the chat. Hey, what time does your restaurant open? Okay, like you can see, it gives you the details and it's correct, guys. So let's also ask what kind of desserts they have. Okay, what do they have on the menu? Okay, what does your menu look like? It's bringing the results, guys. Like you can see, it's giving you the variety of ingredients they have on the menu. For example, like you can see, they have crispy starters, hearty mains, refreshing drinks. So let me ask a specific dessert. Okay, do you have something chocolate? Something chocolate for dessert. You see, chocolate lava cake. Yes, guys, it's there. So I put the answer of the location as Kampala. So let me try that out as well. Where is your restaurant located? It's here, Kampala. Okay. Uh, I'm a vegan. Do you have any suggestions for me or any special foods? Do you have any specials? So, guys, like you can see, it's really working. This is impressive. Like you can see down here, it says, yes, we offer a vegan power bowl that features quinoa, roasted vegetables, avocado, and it also asks you if you'd like more information or recommendations. This is amazing, guys. And I'm dying to know how yours came out. Please let me know in the comment section down below. I really want to know. Okay. So now that we know how the chat works, let's go ahead and try out the voice. Okay. So, let me try talking to Lania. So I'm just going to click on this and then we are going to see how this is going to work. Okay. Okay, there we go.
I'm really sorry to hear that you received the wrong order. Would you like me to connect you with a team member to help resolve this issue?
No, actually, I've changed my mind. I have a new question for you. Are you open on weekends? Do you guys open on weekends?
Yes, we're open on Saturdays from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. and on Sundays from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Would you
Oh,
like to make a reservation for the weekend?
oh, sure. So, how do I make my reservation?
You can easily make a reservation by calling us at 555-123-4567 or by booking online through our website. Would you like assistance with anything else?
Okay, thank you. Do you do delivery?
Yes, we offer both delivery and pickup services. You can place your order online or call us directly at 555-123-4567.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Lania. I appreciate your services. So, guys, like you've seen, our AI agent has been a complete success. And the way you're going to make money with this is you're going to create such agents for different companies. For example, hotels, it can be pharmacies, it can be different e commerce stores. And then you can charge the setup fee. Okay. So, one more thing, maybe I forgot to mention to you guys. Let's go back to the design view. So, if you click over here on the AI agent builder down here, you will see this option that says conversations. So this is how you're going to see how your AI interacts with your customers. So all your chats are going to be down there. So this is the voice conversation, and this is the entire chat between the AI agent and the customer. Okay, like you can see. So yes, guys, that's all I had for you for today's video. But before you leave, if you're regular in this channel, you already know this. Before we end the video, we always have more suggestions of videos that help us to make money online. And for today's video, I have this particular one, and I've also linked more related ones in the description down below if you'd like to try them out. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you found value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.